guys, welcome to Inspired to DIY. In today's video, I like to share a simple yet glamorous candle holders that I was able to make under $10. Stay tuned for the end result and let's get into it. And the first thing I'll do is spray paint this with white Oleum paint. Then we'll need the silver bowls, napkin rings, and acrylic gems for this project. Then I'll go ahead and glue the napkin rings on top of the silver bowls as follows. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you're here for the first time, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next DIYs. I'll be making them different heights. The first one will be 3 napkin rings, the second one 4 napkin rings, and the last one will be 5 napkin rings. And once they are at their desired height, what I'll do is glue everything on top of a second silver bowl. I'll just go ahead and repeat the same step from before, and this one will be the one with the 5 napkin rings. As everything dries out, I'll go ahead and add acrylic gems and where each of the napkin rings meet. Be patient with this step just because the acrylic gems and the glue will take a little longer to settle. I'll be repeating that same step on each side of all of our candle holders. I'll go ahead and repeat the same steps for the sides by adding 2 gems where each of the napkin rings meet. I repeated that same step for all of our candle holders and I allowed them to dry. Now that the tray is all dry, I'll be using those mini mirrors that I got from Amazon to put all around the border of the tray. And I'll be doing this for all of the straight sides. When it comes to the corners of the tray, I'll go ahead and use the acrylic gems and add 3 on each corner. I also added 1 acrylic gem in the inside of all the corners. This is how the tray turned out, and now I'll go ahead and place my candle holders in there and just set them to my liking. They turn out so shiny and beautiful. I am so in love with how they turn out. I hope you guys do enjoy watching this video and that you guys did like this project. Go ahead, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for the next DIY. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.